How to turn photos into cartoon using Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your photo into cartoon using your Canva. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for canva.com and make sure you are signed into your account. So to convert any of your photo into Canva, what you need to do is, so let me just quickly create a design. So from over here, just upload any of your photo. So as you can see, I've uploaded my one photo and it's being uploaded. So I'll just click on it and bring it over here. So now if I want to convert this photo to a cartoon, what I can do is simply click on, scroll all the way down, and under your left section, just click on this apps button and you have to search in for Cartoonify. So you just have to search in for Cartoonify option and just click on any of the options just like this. And once you do that, just click on open, which will open this application as an extension like this. And just click on, make sure you have selected this photo on the right section and then click on Cartoonify and replace button over here and wait for a few seconds. It will take your some seconds to convert it into cartoony. And as you can see, there is a big difference from previous photo and this one. It has now successfully converted my photo into cartoon. As you can see, there is a cartoon type of texture around the image. So that is exactly how you can easily convert your photo into cartoons on using Canva. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.